We're going to try to grow our food in this space. Let's see what the day brings. I'm going to till it up first, and then I'll put the fence on, and then I'll plant it. So I just put some simple zip ties, and I use a 4-foot chain link fence and some poles, and now I'm going to plant some snow peas. In our area, they say to plant them in March, and then I'll plant some snap peas and just regular peas. Peas usually don't like hot weather, so they want you to get them in the ground early. 1.5 inches, 2 inches apart. I'll put some water, and we'll be done. Now I'm going to collect the eggs, and I'm going to put them in the incubator. This is a hatching time quail cage. There is one male in each cage for 3 females. So we got them. Now we're going to put them in the incubator. This is a little giant incubator. It has a south-turning tray that will hold 120 quail eggs. You set it at 99.5 for heat and like 50% moisture. And they will be in here for 17 days. They'll go on the lockdown on the 14th day. So you put the pointy side down. I think I got 57, if I counted right. I'll put the lid back on, plug the turner on, and then let it set for 17 days. We should have some baby quail. Well, let's go feed the chickens now. Chick, chick. Come here. Come here. Oh, yeah. The simple days are the best days.